Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we are going to be seeing who can make the better smoothie.
You already know, it ain't even no competition. I got it on lock. Stay tuned.
No.
We're gonna let. All right, so for my smoothie, I'm gonna use some pineapples, some frozen apples, some parsley, zucchini. I'm not gonna use this. So Olivia might want to use the peaches.
Yeah, I'm gonna make an acai kind of thing because it's gonna be thicker.
And I'm gonna use some raspberries, and of course a little bit of orange juice for sweetness and to loosen it up. Man. So I'm going first. Livy want to go second so she can get some tips from how I make mine.
No!
I want to show y'all all my greens in here. So it ain't just sugar I'm dumping in here. I gotta hate it. All right. I'm gonna blend this down a little bit to make room for a few apples and maybe some raspberries.
Don't use all of them.
Oh yeah. All right, this is the finished product. So I'm done. Now I'm gonna let Olivia see what she can do.
Welcome to mine.
All right.
Okay, so I'm going to be doing some peaches, raspberries, and just a little bit of pineapple. So, unlike Daddy,
You're not gonna use no orange juice?
I am, but it's gonna be a little because it's gonna be acai. Anyways, I'm gonna add some pineapples, so just a little. Not that many. I don't know if that's a lot or not.
I think I already won. And I think mine's way more nutritious.
Seriously? Can I try? Okay. Because you can't beat me.
Yeah, buddy.
It's okay. Ah! Oh my god, I forgot these yummy peaches. This looks so good. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the last of the dude, my dog's in the way. Little boy, what are you doing? Dude, stop. Okay. Add some raspberries. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more mango. It's gonna be mango thing. Oh my god. Where's the thing?
Don't cut yourself.
Okay, so I'm just going to add a little orange juice. You're not gonna add a lot.
I have to interrupt. I really like this Ninja blender because it comes like with regular tops. So once you blend it in the same cup you can drink it out of, you can put this lid on and head out the door. See? Isn't that neat?
Okay, anyways. I'm not gonna add that much.
You have to have enough in there for it to blend.
Okay, wait. Okay, there.
All right, let's see what happens.
It's gonna turn to acai, promise. Okay. Okay, let's see. If it's not the thickness I want it to be, then I'm gonna be mad because it's gonna be really long. Yes, it's perfect. It's thick.
Y'all want to see?
It's thick.
Look at that.
Now I'm just gonna put it in the bowl.
All right, now we're gonna ask Stacy to come in here and be the judge.
I will be the judge. I will do Daddy.
You know what? We're gonna let JJ be a judge too. Come on.
I will do Daddy.
This is mine.
No, just let JJ
But this
say
is a
something.
bowl.
Well, go get a spoon.
Okay.
Get out. All right, here's
I
JJ.
need to put the oats in it too. I need to put the
Try mine. How does that taste?
No.
You don't like it? You want to try Olivia's? Here.
Wait, I need to put the oats.
Try Olivia's.
I need
He
to
don't
put
want. He's not gonna eat. Here, try it. Which one's better? This one or this one?
Yes, I told you right.
Cold world. We got Stacy here to judge. Which one? You want to try this first?
I'm gonna try Olivia's.
Olivia is on the battle.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
Ew, boogers.
This is good, but I'm going with Olivia. Let me try this.
Guys, I win. I win. I
It's full of sugar.
I won.
No, I'll taste it without the granola. Even without the granola. Let me see.
I told you guys.
Hey, you a little
Daddy
over with
didn't
mine.
stand a chance.